Guys, welcome to Nerf gun battle, and hope you guys like the video. And Perry's first gun. Ooh, that one's like light and blusty. Whoa.
First gun. Whoa, that is big.
And our first obstacle, the shooting shootout. These two are 2 points. These wrestlers are 5 points, and this small Hershey right here is 10 points. Ooh. Perry's going up. So Perry's starting. Oh, and she hits the glass. She hits that. Next shot. Oh, and it hits right off the pink glass. 4 points for Perry. And here she goes. She hits over the WWE Superstar. That is unbelievable, people. She goes. Oh, and it's a miss. Did not hit the WWE Superstar, The Rock. Last shot. Oh, and it's a missile.
Well, I guess I got 9 points. Yay.
That's pretty good.
His first shot is...
And got it. Bam.
Yay. He got
2 points.
this cup.
2 points.
Yep, he has 2 points. Second shot is...
And...
He got the WWE Superstar Stone Cold. Next one is...
Hit him.
He got The Rock, another WWE Superstar. Next one might be...
Bambo.
Yes! He has more 2 points. He got this one. Can he do it?
Oh, I guess that's all my shots, people. Let's go. I got 2, 4, and got 14 points.
Yep, way more than me. Oh, I lost, I guess.
And I won, people.